a relatively new feature in Excel, which is like a chart, although in a different area, is something called sparklines. And these are in-cell charts. So for example, here I've got product A, and if I go across here, you'll see there's a whole bunch of sales. Now it's hard to get a sense of are these up or down. So what we can do is I'm going to click in that cell, go to insert, and next to where the charts are is something called sparklines. When I click on the line, all it asks for is where's the data. I'm going to click here and highlight it. When I say OK, let's go back and see what it's done. All it's done is it's drawn a little line in here and it gives us a trend. So it's quite easy now to spot that the trend is slightly up, a bit of a dip, and then it goes up again. So that's quite nice. What it will allow as well is if someone, for example, accidentally put the wrong number here, so an extra 0, when I click on it, you'll see we can clearly see there's a spike. So it's very good for those type of things, just for general trends. You've got a couple of different types. So in this one here, I'm going to go try the sparklines called column. Click here, highlight it. And you'll see in this case, it's like a column chart. So we can get a sense of it's all going up, then it seems to drop down, and there seems to be a bit of a pattern in there. Third type is something called a win-loss. So I can highlight all of those. And with a win-loss, a blue mark is positive, a gap is 0, and a red mark is negative. So you can see a win-loss. How many months were we up, how many down, how many break even. As with all things in Excel, if you click on these things, you'll discover there's a new ribbon called Design. And in here, there's a whole bunch of things you can do. Playing with the axes, changing the colors, changing between the types. So there's quite a bit you can do with sparklines. We find them just exceptionally useful just to give a quick overview of what's happening in a column or row of data.